Very good morning, student. Today we will talk about a very important question from alcohol, phenol, and ether chapter, which is very important for class 12 CBSE student. And the very first question is why alcohol and phenol are acidic in nature, and discuss the comparative acidic strength between alcohol and phenol. So reason is very simple. Both alcohol and phenol having tendency to release H plus ion, and alcohol form alkoxide ion after releasing the H plus ion, and phenol form phenoxide ion. Now that is the reason that both alcohol and phenol are acidic in nature, because they have tendency to release the H plus ion, but phenol is more acidic as compared to that of alcohol. The answer is very simple, that after losing H plus ion, phenol form phenoxide ion, and that phenoxide ion is stabilized by the resonance, and this is the reason that phenol is more acidic as compared to that of alcohol. Now the second question, that is also very important, comparative acidic strength between primary, secondary and tertiary alcohol. Whether 1 degree alcohol is more acidic or 2 degree or 3 degree, this can be very clearly understand that the alcohol consists of large number of alkyl group, shows the least acidic strength, and that is the reason that primary alcohol is highly acidic, followed up by secondary alcohol, and so on tertiary or 3 degree alcohol. Now third question is another very important question from the same chapter, and the question is that how the particular group, whether it is electron donating group or electron withdrawing group, increases the acidic or decreases the acidic strength of substituted phenol. In case of phenol having electron donating group, listen again, in case of phenol, if it consists of electron donating group, then the acidic strength will get minimized, because electron donating group releases the electron and destabilize the phenoxide ion. So that is the reason that more number of electron donating group, less will be the acidic strength. Whereas in case of having electron withdrawing group, it increases the acidic strength of phenol by stabilizing the phenoxide ion, and more the number of electron withdrawing group, more will be the acidic strength of the phenol, substituted phenol.